In this video, we are going to talk about tag reports. Let's get started. Tag reports in ObservePoint give us a lot of useful information regarding the tags that are firing from our websites that we're scanning, from all audits that we wish to include in the reports. I want to go over 3 tips in relation to tag reporting that will help you think of clever ways to get the most value out of these reports. The first being how to find broken or poor performing tags. So we'll go into the tag performance and health template to quickly generate answers to those questions. We report on tag load time, and this might be important if you're trying to improve site efficiency. Tag load times have the potential to bring down the overall performance of the page that they load on. And so we can then sort by worst offenders based on tag load time. And then for broken tags, we identify broken tags by status codes that usually indicate some sort of problem with the network request. So 400, 500, 0 status codes. And we can either filter to find those broken tags by those status codes, or of course we can just look and see there's a 404 here for Vimeo, for example. The next tip that I want to highlight is how to find duplicate web analytics tags, which can lead to data inflation and double counting. This report template, Pages with Analytics Duplication, auto applies a couple of useful filters. Tag is duplicated is yes, that means that the tag fired twice on the same page, and each instance of the tag, or more than once, not twice, each instance has the same payload and account ID associated with it, or report suite ID. The other filter that's important is the web analytics filter. So it's saying only pull in tags that are web analytics tags. If we had any duplicate web analytics tags, they would show up here. The last tip that I want to highlight is unapproved tags and what cookies unapproved tags or any tag are deploying. So for that, we can go to the tag compliance template. And out of the box, like the other reports, we have the tag, each unique tag, the vendor, the tag category, but then the compliance status. So saying if it's approved or unapproved. If we want, we can filter and say, just show me unapproved tags. We're here to identify unapproved tags. And then I can add another column for tag cookies set. In other words, these are cookies that we were able to attribute to the tag as the tag set the cookies. And so we can group by this column. And for each tag, we will get a list of cookies that tag set. If you enjoyed this content, you can find other videos on our YouTube channel. If you have additional questions, reach out to our team.